My name is Darian Refimas. I'm from DKM1C.
Hi, my name is Nicholas Bini. I'm from DKM1C.
My name is Anthony Mang and I'm from DKM1C.
Hi, my name is Rafael Sprian and I'm from DKM1C.
So today we will talk about working principle of shielded metal arc welding basic and oxy-acetylene.
I will talk about shaded metal arc welding working principle. In shaded metal arc, an arc between a covered electrode and a whirlpool is used to accomplish where as the welder steadily feed the covered electrode into the whirlpool. The decomposition of the covering involves into gas that shielded the pool. The process is used without application of pressure and with filler metal from the covered electrode. The sound where metal deposited by the process is used for both joining and for applying a functionable surface to metal products.
First point for shield metal arc welding process is we use 3.2 mm E6013 electrode. Second, we use 6 mm X75 x 100 mm metal. Third, welding joint at both sides of the metal. Next, stop completely and restart in the middle of weld. Besides that, fill in crater at the end of bit. And lastly, clean the weld with wire brush.
Next is about oxyacetylene working principle. Oxyacetylene welding, commonly referred to gas welding, is a process which relies on combustion of oxygen and acetylene. When mixed together in correct proportion within a handheld, touched or below pipe, the chemical action of the oxyacetylene flame can be adjusted by changing the ratio of the volume of oxygen to acetylene.
Okay, next we will talk about oxy-acetylene process. Firstly, we need to prepare 2 pieces of milled steel 2 mm thick. Secondly, use an add welding tip. Thirdly, we should adjust the working pressure to about 3 psi for acetylene and 3 psi for oxygen. Next, we should wear appropriate protective gear, then light and adjust the torch to a natural flame. Next, hold the torch at the 90-degree work angle and a 60-degree to 70-degree lead angle with the inner cone of the flame 2 mm to 3 mm above the base metal. Next, hold the position over a spot just inside the right edge of the base metal until a molten puddle is established. And lastly, the same amount of filler rod must be added each time to produce a uniform weld. Alright, in conclusion, modern welding mechanization guarantees higher efficiency, quality, productivity, and finish. Welding measures have improved numerous areas, and their preference have made welding manufacture a developing industry. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching our presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.